Hi everyone and welcome to the unboxing. Well, not really an unboxing, but technically an unboxing. If you all remember this brand, Luna Artefacts, I purchased a mouse pad from them, a charger, several accessories I have purchased from them. Well, this was the gift from my kids for Father's Day, and you remember I complained about this not being straight. Well, guess what, guys? They actually reached out to me on my YouTube video and said they were going to send a replacement and a little apology gift as well. So that's what we'll be unboxing. So it's not what you might have not seen before. You kind of seen a sneak peek already, but it's a new case. Voila, here we go. So this is the replacement case and this is the free kit. So why don't we just chuck this box away? Look at this, guys, a brand new box. Now can you see the difference? It smells brand new. It smells, you know, when something's been literally made. So can you see the difference? It was a little off, it wasn't straight, you know. And this one, the quality is a lot better, it shines a lot more, you know. And this is a little flat, this is more sort of it's like kind of 3D, it pops out a little. So yeah, so it's a new case for my Rota-Master. You get the number there, it's literally the same underneath. No changes from the little I can see here. Says it's a brown, so literally a brown. Yeah, so literally because of this they were not happy about that. Now that is what I call customer service at its finest. You know, I'm really pleased they did this, and I think it's really thoughtful of them. So I will be taking all the content out and putting it in this box, but let's put this aside now and look at what free gift they have sent me. Voila, can you guess what this might be? This is their travel adapter by Luna Artifacts London. That's very nice of them. I need to just literally use my little screw to open this up. Try this side now. There we go. This is very thoughtful of them. And this is their travel pass. Wow, it's very small, it's got good weight to it, and this is the 65 watts. Isn't that impressive? So it's the 65 watt charger here. You get all the cables, the 3 adapters for different regions, European, United States. This one I don't know, it's funny shaped again. I don't know if that's what they use. I think that's the US actually. European and the British, which works in Nigeria as well. And that's basically it. And I think underneath all of this you get yeah, a travel pouch. This is so cool. So this all sits in the travel pouch with the heads. You get instructions. It's very nice of them. Oh, perfect accessory. I literally will just put all this in its place now because it's ideal for my travel to the Middle East. Just put this on here and that as well, and there you go. I'm good to travel. I have the travel case. Is there any other accessory cables? Well, normally the phones provide that, so it's fine. I'll probably leave the instructions in here as well because it helps. Well, thank you guys so much. I hope this was in frame. But if not, you know, thank you for the travel adapter. That's really kind of you guys. Thanks for the yeah, for the new case. It's perfect, and I'll be sort of transferring all content over to this new box right away. Thanks for watching, everyone, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll do my best to get back to you guys. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.